EchoFlame Accent Fireplaces and EchoFlame Gel Fuel, the newest in a long line of innovative products from Echo Valley, is a safe, clean way to enjoy a fire, indoors or out. The heart of the EchoFlame line is our EchoFlame Gel Fuel. Over 2 years in development and laboratory tested to ensure its safety, EchoFlame Gel Fuel is an alcohol-based biogel fuel that burns odorless and smokeless. Each can of EchoFlame Gel Fuel burns over 2.5 hours with a real, natural-looking flame and the crackle sound of a wood fire. EchoFlame Gel Fuel is easy to use. Remove the label and then the lid. Place the can in the receptacle of any of our EchoFlame Accent fireplaces or make your own with our DIY adapter stand. Light and enjoy. When the can is empty and cool, just dispose or recycle. Nothing to refill or reuse. Convenient and safe EchoFlame Gel Fuel and EchoFlame Accent fireplaces. Sit back, unwind, and relax.